You know, obviously at the DLC, one of the things that we have seen happening in the last 5 years, as others have mentioned, is sort of this wild, wild west uh, manufacturer landscape, right? Where you see lots of claims about LED fixtures and about LED performance. But in many ways, it isn't a transparent industry and it isn't a standardized industry. And so what the DLC has done or tried to do is to create these verified performance metrics, which are based on Asabi standards. So we have a test method that any manufacturer can use, any lab can use, and it's very clear what they have to do. And using those performance metrics, we have a way for growers to compare manufacturers on an apples to apples basis. Now, not only does this ensure that you have a high quality product, but you also have an energy efficient or an efficacious product. And so some of the key hallmarks of the Hort QPL are metrics that relate to quality. So first and foremost, a 5-year warranty, this LED lifetime, the Q90 lifetime of every single chip in that LED fixture has to have a Q90 lifetime of 36,000 hours or more. And they do that by not only showing measured life over time and over standardized life testing, but actually doing calculations to show what that life would be at application temperatures. They also have to show driver and fan lifetimes of at least 50,000 hours. They have to have safety certifications specifically for horticulture environments, not just for a commercial office, but actually for those environments where there's higher humidity and higher temperatures. And then finally, every product on the Hort QPL has to have a minimum efficacy, that PPE, of 1.9 micromoles per joule or higher. That's our minimum threshold to be on the list, as well as every other piece of that high quality specification, so that you can be sure when you pick a product off of the QPL that every single one of them has met the same criteria.